Yes class, 1A part, measurement. Next topic is measurement of length. We have two methods to measure the length. First one is direct method, second one is indirect method. First one is direct method. In this method, the distance of any object is not very much. The distance is very small or length is very small, and answer will be in only centimeter or meter. For example, we can use simple scale or meter rule to measure the small lengths. Those methods are known as direct methods. Second method is indirect method. These methods are applicable where the distance of any object is very high. Now, types of indirect methods. Two types are here. First type is for accessible object. Now what is meaning of accessible object? Any object whose distance from point of observation is given is called accessible object. For example, we have a tree. We have a tree. From any point O, the distance of the tree is given to us. So a tree will be an accessible object. Suppose that the distance from the base of the tree and point of observation is D. At top of the tree, we make angle theta with the point O. Let height of tree is h. Here we want to find out height of the tree. Then in right angle triangle OB and A, apply formula for tan theta, perpendicular upon base, or h over d. From here we easily can find out h is equal to d time tan theta. Second topic is inaccessible object. The object whose distance from point of observation is not given to us, or when object is very far away. That object is known as inaccessible object. In method, the tree of height h suppose that is very far away from point B. B is point of observation, D is base of the tree. The distance is very high and we cannot measure easily the distance BD. In that method, first of all, from point B, we make an angle with top of the tree. Let angle is theta 1. Then we move to some distance up to point C. Again from point C, we make an angle with the top of the tree. Let angle is theta 2. The distance of point of observation from tree is D1. D1 here is not given to us. The distance which we move is small d, and distance between C and D is D2. In right angle triangle ADB, triangle is A, D and B. Tan theta 1, perpendicular over base, AD over BD, or find out cot theta 1. Cot theta 1 means reciprocal of tan theta 1. Do reciprocal BD upon AD, or BD means D1, AD means H. This is cot theta 1. Second right angle triangle is CDA. Find out here again cot theta 2. Base over perpendicular, D2 over H. On subtracting cot theta 1 minus cot theta 2. Taking LCM, D1 minus D2. From the diagram here, D1 minus D2 provides D. D over H, find out H from here.